what is up you guys? My name is Reanne, I live in Japan, and today, oh my hair, we're in Fujisawa. Honestly, I just wanted today to be kind of a relaxed, chill vlog where we kind of explore the city and you can kind of see what my day is going to be like. If you like videos like this and anything related to Japan, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Hello and welcome to Fujisawa. So honestly, I've only been here once and it was completely on accident, but it was pretty fun and I knew there was more in the city to be explored, so I came back, of course. Alright, so now I'm in one of the random tall buildings. I'm just looking for a place to eat. There's a lot of bookstores and random souvenir shops, like this one. Ooh, and there's a music store. This store was a really good find. I actually spent more time in here than I would like to admit, but you can't really blame me because there were so many cute things in here. I loved all the cat items and they had fans for the festivals. Oh, also I later found out it was actually not a music store. Now I'm in a empty hallway, but the view is nice here. Let me show you guys. Kind of nice? I don't know. Oh my god, you guys. I really thought that I was gonna be stuck in that building all day. Alright, so we finally have a kind of a direction of what we're gonna do today. First and foremost, I want to find a cafe or somewhere to sit down and eat. And later, I want to check out Maid Cafe. And I wanted to give you guys a short glimpse of that too. Hopefully I can get some footage, but yeah. So let's begin our search for something to eat. Basically, I was walking through the back roads and I found this arcade which was super cute and it had so many things to win. Everything from anime to Mario to just a bunch of stuff. And I also found some Project Diva games here too, so I wanted to play some of them. Here are some of my personal favorite games to play. I mostly stick to music games, but there is one that I like a lot that kind of looks like Dance Dance Revolution without the arrows. Once I was done, I head outside and I found a really good spot to eat. This place had veggie burgers that I wanted to try. Alright guys, I'm back. I look so sweaty because it's super duper humid right now. My hair is going crazy. I ended up going with the acai burger because I always try to go with like vegan or vegetarian options when I can. Two things. One, sorry about my lash if it's annoying you as much as it's annoying me. And two, this is where I was embarrassed because my food came as I was talking. Okay, hold on, let me show you my food really quick because I literally just got it right now. Let's talk about how good the burger was. I'm just gonna put it this way. It was freaking delicious. It was literally so good. I finished it so quick and then I smeared all my lipstick. Alright, so update time. My friend just got proposed to. My plans for the day are definitely gonna be changed. I'm going to go to Enoshima to go celebrate with them with some dinner and hang out with them because it's a pretty big freaking day for them. Oh my gosh. I just called my boyfriend about it like 5 minutes ago, so we're about to head over there. This is my day so far, and let's see where the rest of it takes us. So now I'm just leaving Fujisawa and heading towards Enoshima. Also, side note, this is another really common thing in Japan that I don't really see in the States. Pretty cool, right? On my way back to the station, I also found the Maid Cafe that I was looking for earlier. I'll admit I suck at directions, so I got lost so many times during these clips and I ended up getting help from a Japanese policeman. Look at the rock! So by this time, all of us were hungry, so we started walking towards the restaurant, and this is where we went. There was actually a lot of stuff you could order over here, from Hawaiian food to cocktails to even pancakes. Oh, and can you tell that my friend likes a ring? So cute! Oh, and this is around the time that my drink and my food came, and this is what it looked like. Baby, you look like a third wheel! Here's a compilation of me and my friends. Enjoy! Wait, where? Keep walking. You can literally see the sweat on me. Friends are way up there. All my friends sweaty.